Hi guys, since we have already made a few videos talking about one Ionos or just Ionos as a hosting provider, why not visit the web code and dive into what the Ionos website builder has to offer? Is it modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my Ionos website builder review. Anyway, for everybody else, we will start this Ionos review by looking at very first part of building your website, choosing a good looking template. Ionos does not go wild with its template though there are only a handful of them. The design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That say creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking templates as well. I also appreciated that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You have probably noticed the gain text at the top that keeps screaming AI, AI, AI. So let's look at what the Ionos AI website builder offer its work, the prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this, there a quick setup for color, fonts, and your website info. Then we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now, note very generated template is a winner, so you might want to play around there with the prompts and setup. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by style and template and the modern approach with AI integration. It's a plus for Ionos. You have the main menu on the left with all you need. A market with editor, e-commerce, and email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible analytics. However, the app market could use more app right now. It's mainly offer translator and booking add one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for landing page, portfolio, or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the other tool available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach there. I say quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a smaller version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allow you to mess with website structure, editing pre-made section or rearranging them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor grades you with the rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to section setting, then to element and activate this mode, you will be able to move element freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As for the individual element you can add, the selection is not extensive, but it's decent. Is an interesting design choice. Switching mode does not change the entire editor. It's only effective the specific section you will are working on. This mean you can mix drag and drop of section with more straightforward pre-made options. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individually. If you want to use it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element by simply doubling clicking on it. This brings out the standard word editor option and AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters here. Continue with the theme. You can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option and much. I would recommend it using it. A better thing is the Ionos stock picture that offer a realistic looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about licenses or other stuff. Or while there are some interesting decisions, the Ionos website builder editor feel and control are like a modern web beginner friendly tool. Everything here else here is a quite self-explanatory. The style tab allow you to customize color, fonts, and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add a new page. And of course, this shop is for product management. All right, let's answer that question. Is Ionos good as a website builder or should go you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's a surprisingly good and modern tool with the free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it does have a few odd design choice and could benefit from more design option or variation, is still a solid choice. It may not be the best website builder, not bare, but it definitely a tool ID recommended for beginners. So give Ionos or short, and don't forget those discount link to save some sweet cash. Thanks for watching my Ionos website builder review.